Welcome! In front of me I have DIESEL On Axial watch, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the airplane mode on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing any of the buttons. After you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and now you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. And on this panel you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should look like the airplane. And to enable the airplane mode, simply tap on this icon. You'll see the message airplane mode on, and the icon will change the color. And then you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. So that's how you enable the mode. To disable the mode, simply open the quick panel, tap on the icon again. It will say airplane mode off, and the icon will change the color back to gray, which indicates that the mode is disabled. And that's how you enable and how you disable the airplane mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.